So yan guys, dito kami sa pharmacy. Pipick up kami ng medicine ng misis ko. Ayan. Naubusan na ng stock. Kaya we have to pick it up. Pa?
Doon sa taas.
Screen? Yeah. Kaya bagay ang open naman ito is 24/7. So, kaya walang problema kahit anong oras pick upin. Kaya that's it. Okay. Okay lahat naman, di ba? So yung order mo darating daw by the mail. So you have a supply for
14 days.
14 days. So bawat order mo, ilang days? Ang bawat isang
30 days.
30 days, 1 month. So dapat before that 1 month, order agad.
Minsan naman kung order ka, ay, meron ka pa eh. Meron ka pa mag-last ka na naman.
So dapat 2 days. 2 days pagka hindi po pwede, no? Dapat 7 days ang di ba? Ang waiting days to deliver. Pwede rin ba yung mag-order to pick up? Ba, nag-order online tapos pipick upin mo. Pwede ba yun?
Pwede yata eh.
Oo. May option naman yata, di ba? Yeah. Mas maganda yata pick up po kung sakali kung wala na. Yeah. Kasi pwede may expense agad pag-order. I almost finished my medicine in 3 days. So, can I go to the pharmacy to pick it up?
Ay, walang pick up. Kasi puro ano eh.
Oh, by delivery?
Oo.
By the phone?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So, kung pa nag-order by a laptop, hindi rin pwede.
Pareho din.
Pareho din. Okay. Minsan kasi delay ang ang delivery. Minsan on time naman.